Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create diagrams in Confluence using draw.io. This is a fantastic way to visualize workflows, processes, or any concept that benefits from a clear visual representation right within your Confluence pages. First, navigate to your Confluence website and open the page where you want to add your diagram. This could be any existing page or a new one you've created specifically for documentation purposes. Once you're on your page, look for the plus icon. Click on it, and in the search bar that appears, type draw.io. From the results, select draw.io diagram. This integration brings powerful diagramming tools directly into your Confluence workspace, making it easy to create professional-looking visuals without leaving the platform. After clicking it, the tool will load. You'll see several template options. But for this tutorial, we're starting fresh. Click on Blank Diagram to give yourself a clean canvas to work with. Then, click Create to confirm. This opens up the draw.io editor where all the magic happens. Now, let's create a basic flowchart diagram to demonstrate how this works. On the left side of your screen, you'll see various shape options. Click on the circle shape first, then double-click on that circle shape and name it Start. This will be the beginning point of your diagram. Next, add a rectangle shape underneath the circle. To name it, double-click the rectangle and type Activity 1. This represents the first step in your process flow. Continue by adding two more rectangles below that first one. Name the second rectangle Activity 2 and the third one Activity 3. These represent the subsequent steps in your workflow. Take your time positioning them so they're evenly spaced and easy to read. Now, add another circle at the bottom of your diagram and name it End. This marks the completion point of the process you're mapping out. Here's where we connect everything together. Click on the first circle shape labeled Start. You'll notice arrows appear around it. Click one of these arrows and drag it down to Activity 1. This creates a connection line showing the flow from start to the first activity. Repeat this process to connect the start circle to both Activity 2 and Activity 3 as well. This shows multiple pathways branching from your starting point. Now connect Activity 1, Activity 2, and Activity 3 to the circle at the bottom labeled End. This demonstrates that all activities eventually lead to the completion of the process. To make your diagram more visually appealing, you can change the colors of the shapes. Simply click on any shape, then look at the right side of your screen where you'll find color options. Pick a color that suits the diagram and helps differentiate between different types of elements. And there you have it, a basic diagram created directly in Confluence using draw.io. This same approach can be scaled up to create much more complex flowcharts, organizational charts, or any other type of diagram your team needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.